Do you fall for a person fast?
Fast? I would say not that fast, but more of like slowly but surely.
Kanina, we were talking about Belle. Sabi ko, she looks familiar. Siya nga. You know, the young girl of Going Bulikan. She's so beautiful. She's so pretty. She inspires you. I mean, what is the story? What is the truth?
Yes, because Tito Boy, as you said, she came from Going Bulikan, and you know, working with her, it's only been like siguro ano pa lang 2 months, but I can really see that she wants to be in this industry and she wants to prove herself. Lalo na't nung lumabas yung season 3 yung cast, ang daming nagsasabi na she's not fit for the role, so I think she's very inspired to prove them wrong, and I believe she can do that.
And you're like that.
Yes,
And that kind of a girl inspires.
of course, because if you are passionate about your work, nakaka-inspire.
Will you bring that admiration to the next level?
Grabe naman po. Right now, I've been working with Belle for only like 2 months, and I think that's what we're focusing right now.
Nothing to
He's into her, yes po.
Siyempre si Belle, tatrapahin muna. Tatrapahin muna. Doon tayo kasi tama na naman sinabi ni Jeremiah. We're all just getting to know each other.
Is there a possibility na kayo'y magkakamahalan at magkakaibigan?
Oo naman po, I will say, obviously there's a chance all the time, right? I mean, obviously there's a chance all the time. I'm never gonna close any doors. But I'm just, right now, I guess we're just focused, yun nga, with what we have. Because I really think it's a precious thing. And halong showbiz. Of course, Tito Boy, alam mo naman, I won't say anything na hindi naman totoo.
Donnie, are you into Belle?
Oh, Belle, I will just say this. I enjoy being with her. I enjoy, her presence. I enjoy working with her. And she's an amazing person. That's all I'm gonna say.
Halika.
Kugyutan ka doon ni kay Belle.
Wow! Ano kayo? Ba? Wala.
Ano ang bagay na kinonsider or kinoconsider mo nung bumili ka ng regalo para without spoiling kung ano yun?
Kinonsider ko? Ano bang kinonsider ko? Yung mapapasamayas ang
You are the one I wouldn't push away. You are the one I would travel to the moon for. You are the one that I'll never turn my back on. You are the one who deserves all the